Hello students, welcome to our class. We are going to study new topic, that is operations on rational numbers. Okay, so before that you must have to know what are the rational numbers, which numbers are called rational numbers. But before that you must have to know all the types of numbers. So first type is nothing but natural number. Okay, so which numbers are called natural numbers? So numbers started from 1, okay, are called natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, so numbers started from 1 are called natural numbers. Then what are the whole numbers? So we know whole numbers are started from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. After that the third type is integers. Okay, so what are the integers? So integers means what? The group of all natural numbers from 1, 2, 3 and so on. 0 and the natural numbers with negative sign. Okay, natural numbers 0 and the natural numbers with negative sign. This group of these numbers is called integers. Okay, so all these are integers: 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, -1, -2, -3 and so on. We can go up to infinity. Okay, so we have studied these types, okay, natural numbers, whole numbers and integers, and we have done some operations on integers also: addition of two integers, addition of subtraction of integers, multiplication, division. Okay, now after the integer, the next type is rational numbers. Okay, so what are the rational numbers? So see, what type of numbers are? So see here, the number in the form of m by n, where n is not equal to 0. The number in the form of m by n, where n means denominator is not equal to 0, is called rational number. Okay, so see example, if we take 3 by 2, see here, this actually this is a number. Okay, so see 3 by 2 is in the form m by n, okay, where n is 2 and see this is not equal to 0. So here 3 by 2 is a rational number. Okay, so just understood the form of rational number, the number in the form of m by n where n is not equal to 0, this condition is must. Okay, so the number in the form of m by n where n is not equal to 0 is called rational number. So here I have taken 3 by 2, so here 3 by 2 is a rational number. Okay, now see 5 by 4, next 13 by 2, 3 by 5, 7 by 9. Okay, so these are the rational numbers. So you observe that the rational numbers are in the form of fractions. Okay, so see this is a rational number 7 by 1 and 7 by 9, but you observe that the rational numbers are in the form of fractions. Okay, this is also fraction, 7 by 9, 3 by 5 are also fractions. Okay, so rational number are always in the form of fraction. Okay, so remember that. Now see 4 by 4 by 0. So if we take 4 by 0, then whether it is a rational number or not. So see here, what is the form of rational number? Rational number is in the form of m by n. So see, this is the number in the form of m by n. Okay, we can observe, but see here, where n is not, our condition is n is not equal to 0, but see here n is equal to 0. Here n is equal to 0, therefore this number is not in the form of this. Okay, so here 4 by 0 is not a rational number. Okay, so number with denominator 0 are not rational numbers. So you can say also 5 by 0, 10 by 0, 9 by 0, 13 by 0. Okay, so numbers with denominator 0, sorry, fractions with denominator 0 are not rational numbers. Okay, so here because our condition is denominator not equal to 0, here see we have observed that here denominators are 0. Okay, so these numbers are not rational numbers. Okay, Now see next, if we take 0 by 4 instead of 4 by 0, if we take 0 by 4, now observe that here m is equal to 0, value of m is 0, value of n is 4. Okay, so see, in this rational number is in the form of m by n, where m is also integer and n is also integer. M is also integer and n is also integer, and n is not equal to 0. Okay, so see here, we know 0 is a integer, okay, and n is equal to 4, so 4 is also integer and it is not equal to 0. So here 0 by 4 is also a rational number. 0 by 4 is rational number. But see here, we know when we divide any number by 0, our answer is 0, means 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. You can take any. 0 by 5 is nothing but 0. 0 by 10 is nothing but 0. And see, all these are rational numbers, and therefore 0 is also a rational number. So by this discussion, we got one more property, is that 0 is a rational number. Okay, 0 is a rational number. Now see, if we take 1, now check whether 1 is rational number. So see, we can write 1 in the form, we can write 1 as 1 by 1. Okay, and we know rational number is in the form of m by n, where m is integer. So see here, 1 is integer, n is also integer, and it is not equal to 0, and see, it is not equal to 0. So here we can write 1 in the form of m by n, where n is not equal to 0. So therefore 1 is also a rational number. So as like this, you can also say 2 is also rational number. See, because we write 2, we can write 2 as 2 by 1. Okay, so this is also in the form of m by n, where m is integer, n is integer, not equal to 0. Okay, so here 2 is also 2 is also rational number. Okay, so if we take minus 3, so see here, you can write minus 3 as minus 3 by 1. So see, this is also in the form of m by n. So here m is integer, n is also integer, which is not equal to 0. So therefore minus 3 is also rational number. So you observe that 1, 2, 3 and so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, 0 are all rational numbers. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on are all rational numbers. Actually they are integers, okay, so but they are also rational numbers. So here we get one more property, is that all integers, see, these are nothing but the integers, all integers are rational numbers. Okay, so what are the rational numbers? So see here, rational numbers, so see, all integers are rational numbers, and we know the number in the form of all the fractions also, means 1 by 2, 3 by 4, okay, and so on. So all the integers are rational numbers, and the fractions, okay, are also rational numbers, but here denominator must be not equal to 0. Okay, so in this topic we are going to study operations on rational numbers. So if we take two rational numbers, suppose 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, so these are two rational numbers. So here in this topic we will see how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide the rational numbers. And see here, we are going to uh, do operations on rational number, but you observe that rational numbers are nothing but fraction. Okay, so we are going to do operations on nothing but rational numbers, but we are going to do operations on fractions, and for that you must have to know some basic concept related to fractions. So we know, so see some basic concepts related to fractions. For that you must have to know how to add two like fractions. How to add two like fractions. Like fractions means what? The fractions with denominator are same. So how to add these two like fractions? So see here, denominators are same. So how to add two like fractions? So make their denominator common and add the numerators. Okay, and 12 by 4 is nothing but 3. see how to subtract the like fractions. Means if we take 9 by 3 minus 3 by 4 by 3. Okay, now see here denominators are same, so make it common and subtract the numerator. So here we get 5 by 3. Okay, so how to add and subtract the like fractions. Now see how to add and subtract unlike fractions. So see, if we have two unlike fractions, 9 by 4 plus 3 by 5. Okay, so see, these are the unlike fractions because their denominators are not same. Okay, so whenever we add two unlike fraction, we must have to know how to find LCM. So here, to add this two unlike fraction, we first find LCM of denominators. So here LCM of denominators means LCM of 4 and 5. So what is the LCM of 4 and 5? LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Okay, so you have studied how to find LCM. I have written directly LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Now see, first when to add two unlike fraction, first find LCM of denominators. Now make the denominator of each fraction is 20. Okay, so see here, first we take 9 by 4, and here to make denominator 20 we must have to multiply 4 by 5, and here 5, and here to make denominator 20 we must have to multiply by 4. As we multiply denominator by 5, we must have to multiply this numerator by 5. Okay, so this plus sign as it is, and as we multiply denominator by 4, we must have to multiply this numerator by 4. Now do calculation, we get, now see, now here denominators of both fraction are same, so when denominators are same, make it common and add the numerators. 45 plus 12, and what it gives, 57 upon 20. So here addition of these two unlike fraction is 57 upon 20. So you must have to know how to add two unlike fraction. As like this you can subtract two unlike fraction. For that, first find LCM of denominators and make the denominator of fractions as LCM and do the calculation. Okay, so related to fraction, you must have to know one more concept, that is reciprocal. So see, what is the reciprocal of reciprocal is also called as multiplicative inverse, also multiplicative inverse also. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? So how we find reciprocal? To get the reciprocal of 3 by 4, we interchange numerator and denominator. So if we interchange numerator and denominator, we get 4 by 3. So your reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So as like this you can find reciprocal of any fraction. So it is the reciprocal of 5 by 9. So to find reciprocal, we interchange numerator and denominator. So reciprocal of 5 by 9 is 9 by 5. So before that, what is the reciprocal of 1? Okay, so before that we write 1 as 1 by 1. Okay, in the fraction form. Now what is the reciprocal of 1 by 1? So reciprocal of 1 by 1 is also 1 by 1, and 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now reciprocal of 2. Okay, so first we write 2 as in the form of fractions. So 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Okay, so reciprocal of 2 is nothing but reciprocal of 2 by 1, and we know how to find reciprocal. Just interchange numerator and denominator. So what we will get, 1 by 2. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 3? So reciprocal of 3. So first write 3 in the fraction form. Okay, so reciprocal of 3 is nothing but reciprocal of 3 by 1, because 3 can be written as 3 by 1. And we know what is the reciprocal of 3 by 1. Just interchange numerator and denominator, that is 1 by 3. So reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. So as like this you can find reciprocals. Okay, after that you must have to know how to multiply the fractions. Okay, so if we multiply fraction by a fraction, if we have to multiply fraction by a fraction, see here we have taken two fractions and here we have to multiply the fractions. So when we multiply fraction by fraction, in the product the numerator is product of numerator of fractions. So here 3 multiplied by 9. First do the product of numerators right here, and in the denominator write product of denominator. So here 4 into 2, so we get, so this is the multiplication of 3 by 4 and 9 by 2. So 3 by 4 into 9 by 2 gives us 27 by 12. So how to multiply a fraction by a number? So whenever we multiply fraction by number, so in product, okay, so numerator of product is nothing but, see here, first multiply numerator of fraction by this number and write denominator same as denominator of fraction. Okay, so we get 6 by 7. Okay, see here how, again I will take one example of this type. So see, when we multiply fraction by number, first multiply numerator of fraction by this number and in the denominator write denominator of fraction, that is 2, and we get 36 by 2. 36 by 2 is nothing but 18. Okay, so as like this you can multiply fraction by fraction and fraction by whole number. Okay, now how to divide? So you have studied or this part in the topic fraction, and in previous standard you have studied how to multiply and division, but I am going to revise because it will be helpful in the our topic operations on rational number. Okay, so see division of fractions. See here, if you have to divide the fraction 2 by 3 by 1 by 9. So see here, we have to divide this 2 by 3 by 1 by 9. So when we divide, first step is write first fraction as it is, change division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of next fraction. So here reciprocal of 1 by 9 is 9 by 1. Okay, now we know how to do multiplication. So here first multiply numerators and in denominator multiply denominators. So here 3 into 1. So we get 18 by 3, and 18 by 3 is nothing but 6. So here 2 by, when we divide 2 by 3 by 1 by 9, we get answer 6. Okay, so see here we have to divide 2 by 5 by 3. So write first number as it is, change division sign by multiplication, and write the reciprocal of next. So here 5 reciprocal of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. And we know how to multiply number by fraction. So here first 2 multiply by 3 and in denominator write 5. So we get 6 by 5. Okay. Now see, 9 by 4 divided by 5. So write first number as it is, change division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of next. So here reciprocal of 5 is nothing but 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Now you know how to do multiplication. 9 multiplied by 1 upon 4 multiplied by 5. So we get 9 upon 20. So here division of 9 by 4 by 5 is nothing but 9 by 20. So you know how to divide fraction by fraction, whole number by fraction and fraction by whole number. So just change, write first number as it is, change division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of next, and you know how to do multiply. After that do calculations according to multiply. Okay, so all this part will be helpful in this topic, that is rational number, because see here 2 by 3 is nothing but rational number, 1 by 9 is nothing but rational number. So operations on rational number is nothing but operation on fraction. So in operation on rational number we will do like operations on fractions. Okay, now let us solve first practice set, that is practice set number 22. in this practice set, question 1 is carry out the additions of following rational numbers. Okay, so first example is 11 by 17 plus 13 by 19. Okay, so we know, so as these are rational numbers, 11 by 70 is rational number, 13 by 19 is also rational number, but we also know that these are fractions. Okay, and we know how to add fractions. So here see, denominators are not same, so these are unlike fractions. So we know how to add unlike fraction. First find LCM of 17 and 19. So what is the LCM of 17 and 19? So see here, LCM of 17 and 19 is equal to 17 into 19. What is 17 into 19? 323. So here we have to make the denominators of these two fractions 320. So write first fraction 11 by 17. Here to make denominator of this fraction 323, we have to multiply this 17 by 19. As we multiply denominator by 19, we must have to multiply numerator by 19. Write plus sign as it is. Now in next fraction, here denominator is 19. Here to make denominator 323, we must have to multiply here by 70. As we multiply denominator by 70, we must have to multiply numerator by 17. Now 17 into 19 is nothing but 323, and here is also 323. Now 11 into 19. 209. So 11 into 19 is 209. And here 13 into 17 is nothing but 221. Okay, now see here denominators are same, 323, make it common and add the numerators here, 209 plus 220, and what it gives, 430 divided by 320. So here addition of these two fractions is nothing but 430 upon 323. Okay, so see here example 2 is 1 2 by 3 plus 2 4 by 5. So we know these are the mixed fractions. So we know how to convert. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into unlike fraction. So we know how to convert mixed fraction into unlike, how to write 1 2 by 3. So here 1 2 by 3 is nothing but 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3, and 2 4 by 5 is nothing but 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 4 14 upon 5. So we know how to convert mixed fraction into improper. You have studied all this part. Okay, so I don't explain how to convert. Okay, so here mixed fraction 1 2 by 3 can be written as 5 by 3, and 2 4 by 5 is nothing but 14 by 5. So there is formula how to convert mixed fraction into unlike, a into c plus b upon c. Okay, so here we have converted this mixed fraction into unlike. Now see, we know how to add unlike fractions. The denominators are not same. Okay, so here we must have to find LCM of denominators. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? So we know LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So here we have to make denominators of both fraction are 15. Now here to make denominator 15, we have to multiply 3 by 5, and here to make denominator 15, we have to multiply this 5 by 3. Now as we multiply denominator by 5, we have to multiply this numerator by 5. As we multiply here denominator by 3, we have to multiply this numerator by 3. Okay, now do calculation. 25 by 15 plus 42 by 15. Now see here denominators are same, make it common. Add the numerators, 25 plus 42. What it gives? 67 upon 15. Okay, so whenever there are mixed fraction, first convert it into unlike and do calculation, as we know how to add unlike fractions. Okay, now in question number 2 is do the subtraction of rational numbers. Okay, Example number 1 is 7 upon 11 minus 3 by 7. Okay, so we know whenever there are unlike fractions, so see here denominators are not same, so these are unlike fraction, and we know whenever we add or subtract unlike fraction, we first have to find LCM of 11 and 7. What is the LCM of 11 and 7? So LCM of 11 and 7 is nothing but 77. Okay, so here we have to make the denominators of this fraction as 77. Now here 7 upon 11. Now here to make denominator 77, we have to multiply 11 by 7. So as we multiply denominator by 7, we must have to multiply numerator by 7. Write subtraction sign as it is. Second fraction is 3 by 7. Now here to make denominator 77, we must have to multiply this 7 by 11. As we multiply this denominator by 11, we must have to multiply numerator by 11. Now do calculation. So here see, we got denominators same. Now if the denominators are same, make it common, and here subtract the numerators. So here 49 minus 33, and we get 16 upon 77. So here 7 upon 11 minus 3 by 7 is 16 upon 77. Okay, now see 1 2 by 3 minus 3 5 by 6. Okay, so whenever there are mixed fraction, first convert it into unlike. So here 1 2 by 3 is nothing but 5 by 3, and 3 5 by 6 is nothing but 23 by 6. 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 5 23, 23 upon 6. Okay, now see here denominators are not same, so here we must have to find LCM of 3 and 6. So what is LCM of 3 and 6? LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Now here make the denominators of each fraction is 6. Now see here to make denominator 6, we must have to multiply by 2. As we multiply denominator by 2, we must have to multiply numerator by 2. Here already denominator is 6. Okay, so we there is no need to multiply by any number. Okay, now here we get 10 by 6, and here 23 by 6 as it is. Now denominators are same, make it common, and here 10 minus 23. Now see, you know how integers, subtraction of integers. See here 10 minus 10 23. Here difference between 10 and 23 is 13, and sign of big number is minus. So here 10 minus 23 is minus 13. 10 minus 23 is minus 13. Okay, so our answer is minus 13 by 6. Okay, now question number 3 is multiply the rational numbers. Okay, now question number 1, example number 1 is 3 by 11 into 2 by 5. So see here, we know how here multiply these rational numbers. So these are nothing but the fractions, and we know how to multiply fractions. Multiply numerators. So here 3 multiply by 2 divided by here 11 multiply by 5. So we get 6 by 55. So therefore 3 by 11 into 2 by 5 is 6 by 55. Okay, now second, minus 8 by 9 into 3 by 4. Okay, so first multiply numerators, minus 8 into 3 upon denominators 9 into 4. So here if it is possible to simplify, okay, so then you can do. So here we know 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what remains here? Minus 2 multiply by 1 upon 3 multiply by 1. So if possible, then simplify. So here minus 2 into 1, we know if multiplication, here integers have different sign, here minus and here plus. So minus plus gives you minus. 2 into 1 2 upon 3 into 1 3. So our answer is minus 2 by 3. Okay, 0 by 6 into 3 by 4. Okay, so 0 into 3 upon 6 into 4. 0 into 3 is 0, 6 into 4 is 24, and we know when we divide any number by 0, our answer is 0. Okay, now fourth, 12 by 5 multiply by 4 by 15. Okay, so first multiply numerators 12 into 4 upon denominators 5 into 15. So if possible, then simplify. So here we know 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Okay, so now we can't simplify. So what remain? 4 multiply by 4 upon here what remain? 5 multiply by 5. So our answer is 16 upon 25. Okay, so 12 upon 5 into 4 by 15 is nothing but 16 upon 25. Okay, so here we can multiply the rational numbers. Okay, now question number 4 is write the multiplicative inverse. Okay, so here question example number 1 is 2 by 5. So multiplicative inverse is nothing but reciprocal. Okay, so here what is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? So reciprocal of 2 by 5 is, so we know to get reciprocal we interchange numerator and denominators. So here reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Second, minus 3 by 8. So what is the reciprocal of minus 3 by 8? So interchange numerator and denominator, 8 upon minus 3. You can write minus 8 by 3 also. Okay, now what is the reciprocal of 7? So here what is the reciprocal of 7? Reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. What is the reciprocal of minus 17 by 39? So here reciprocal of minus 17 by 39 is 39 by minus 17. You can write minus 39 by 7. Okay, you can take minus sign outside also. Okay, now see question number 5. Question number 5 is carry out divisions of rational numbers. Division of rational numbers. Okay, now first 40 by 12 divided by 10 by 4. So I have told you how to divide. So here division of rational number is nothing but division of fractions. So these are the nothing but fractions. Okay, so here we know how to divide fraction. Write first as it is, change division sign by multiplication, and write the reciprocal of next. So reciprocal of 10 by 4 is nothing but 4 by 10. Now do multiplication, but if here 40 into 4 upon 12 into 10. So if possible then simplify. So here 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 10 1s are 10, 10 4s are 14. So what remains? 4 multiply by 1 upon 3 multiply by 1. So our answer is 4 by 3. Okay, now see second example, 9 by 11 divided by minus 8. Okay, so here write first number as it is, change division sign by multiplication, and what is the reciprocal of minus 8? Reciprocal of minus 8 is 1 upon minus 8. Now we know how to multiply. So here 9 multiply by 1 whole divided by 11 multiply by minus 8. Okay, so here we can't simplify, so we can do multiplication directly. 9 into 1 9, 11 into 8 88, and we know plus into minus is minus. You must have to know this rule, sign rule. Plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Okay, so here this is plus and this is minus, so here plus into minus minus. Okay, so our answer is 9 upon minus 88. You can write minus sign outside also, so minus 9 upon 88. Okay, now third, 5 divided by 2 by 5. So write first as it is, change division sign by multiplication, write the reciprocal of next. So reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Now do multiplication. Okay, so here 5 multiply by 5 and write denominator as 2. Okay, so and you can calculate CL. Here you can take denominator of 5 as 1, and we know 5 into 5 upon 1 into 2. You can do as like this. Okay, so here our answer is 25 upon 2. Now see example number 4. 2 1 by 5 divided by 5 3 by 6. Okay, so I have told you, whenever there are mixed fraction, first convert it into improper. So 2 1 by 5 can be written as 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 1 11 upon 5 divided by, here 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3 33 upon 6. Okay, whenever there are mixed, first convert into improper. Now do division. Write first as it is, change division sign by multiplication, write reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of 33 by 6 is 6 by 30. Okay, now multiply 11 multiply by 6 upon 5 multiply by 33. So if possible, then simplify. We know 11 1s are 11, 11 3s are 33. We can simplify also. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So what remains? 1 multiply by 2 upon 5 multiply by 1. So our answer is 2 by 5. Okay, so as like this you can do addition, subtraction, division and multiplication of rational numbers, and rational numbers are nothing but fractions. Okay, so you must have to know about all the operations on fractions. Okay, and then only you can do these operations. Okay, thank you.